Hey everyone, how are you doing? It's me, Charmin, and welcome to Rainforest Wild Adventure! And how are you doing, huh? So good? Yeah? Take a sign of me. Have me. We love you. And oh, and besides, we also have a great picture of us. Come and take a picture of us. All right, a Rainforest Wild Adventure. And also, and if you like it, snap, share, and tag, and scare people. Okay? While I'm ready for adventure. Well, of course, I had a great time. So I knew it was wild adventure so good. I knew it was. I know you like Rainforest Wild Asia, but we need to have Rainforest Wild Adventure. Is it? I guess you're right. Each time you visit, each time you reward. Is it? I guess you're right. Wild Adventure is almost here. Rainforest Wild Adventure. Rainforest Wild Adventure has a great picture of you. You could sign in, snap in your own picture. See? And then you could have something in the gift shop. So, bye. See you.